Yep, that's me.
Another day, another hosting vlog. Hello mga ka-family, pupunta tayo sa Tugigaraw. Kasama ko yung dalawa. And of course, kailangan natin mag-check-in sa MGN Hotel for the preparation ng ating event. So, nag-makeup lang ako mag-isa dyan, sariling sikap. Parang naman presentable tayo. And of course, yan yung aking outfit from TikTok shop. Super ganda ng venue. Yan yung 34th anniversary ng Region 2. And of course, yan dapat sexy pa rin tayo. Ha, charot. Ayan na. And of course, i-flex ko lang ang aking partner sa pag-host. And so many pictures. Disclaimer lang, this is a very late upload na. I just wanna share yung ating videos. And of course, may part 2 yan. Ayan, ang ating denim attire. Nakasama naman tayo sa napili nilang best outfit, pero hindi tayo nanalo. But that's fine. Meron pa rin tayong natanggap na consolation. And of course, uwian na. Ayun, away pa rin kami. Bye!